Metal Sonic. You probably don't know his lore, but you think he's overpowered. Papyrus. You're a noob. Royal Papyrus. You don't know how his passive works. No more deals. For some reasons, you think that they're female. Last Breath. You use him for the plus 15% damage. Jotaro. You think they did him dirty. The Heaven. You don't know his lore, but you think he's cool. Underplayer. You're wondering what's their synergy with Soulless God. Think. You always get plus 0.01x damage from his passive. Sand. You're either a noob or you just hate the use. 27. You probably never heard of him, but he's a good farm unit. Hardtail. You use him to shred Sand's dodges. Outer. You use him for the slow, just use Time Paradox or Ring. Green Sands. You find his passive sound funny, it isn't. Sands vs Tura. You thought that this unit would be strong because it's hard to get. Time Paradox. You use it for the slow because its damage sucks. Tura. For some reasons, you think that he's a girl, and you're mad that he's a bad mythic. Story Shift Tura. You use them as your early and you like standing on the cloud from their attack. DHS. You like his high damage.